aboard the plane. Like the first, no one is aground when the door crash, and no other details were immediately available about the pilot. This is the Gaya Prologo of OLC report. Thank you once again. Good afternoon. That's all for today's fair report. I'm here again starting our report update with Miss Maria Shela Villarba. Manny Pacquiao, we all know that Manny Pacquiao is the greatest boxer in the world of boxing. And his next fight is coming this November 14, 2009, and we are requested to watch it. So that was our sports news for today. We are now starting to the Twitter update, and this is brought to you by Mr. Pepper John Campbell.
Good afternoon, everyone. Weather report for today. This is a weather report. Time of day today at 4 a.m. Today, tropical storm Piping and Parma was estimated based on satellite and survey data of 16 kilometers east southeast of Lao City, 17.9 degrees at north and 121 degrees at east, with a maximum sustained wind of 85 kilometers per hour near the center of San Agustin of up to 100 kilometers per hour. It's forecast to move south slowly. Forecast is in northern Luzon, including the provinces of Kalinga and Abra, will experience stormy weather. The rest of southern Luzon will have rain shower with moderate to strong winds. Central Luzon, including Palawan and western section of Visayas and Mindanao, with partly cloudy skies and scattered rain showers and thunderstorms. Thank you, and this is a weather report. Back to you, Eden.
Thank you, Pepper, for that weather report of yours. For the showbiz report, I will turn you to Mr. Jonathan Ero. With Little Yakay, independent comedy movie entitled Yenedora or Tambal Takim, starring Gigi Domingo,